Matrix Wave. 3-wheel mobility scooter, 60 volt, 20 amp hour lead acid, huge sale, no taxes, and very well equipped. 3 wheels has a really nice turning radius. 10x3 tubeless tires. You've got front disc brakes, rear drum, everything that you would want. So signals, lights, storage, reverse. You don't have a motor brake with this, so it's always in neutral. But if you want to make it not move, you pull the brake in, and there's a little pin down here that you push up, and now you are parked. You want to release that, just pull the left lever towards you, and now you're back to regular. Now these ones do have an alarm system, which is pretty cool. They don't all have that. That's the alarm set. You want to unlock that, and you've got lots of storage. So you've got some storage in the front here. You've got a tail box back here. And then you have additional storage underneath the seat. So you open that up, and it's nice that it's all the same key. So under here is your lockable storage as well. You've got your breaker there. Comes with the manual, charger, of course, and then your batteries underneath that. You're going to get between 40 and 45 kilometers per charge. You can just charge it overnight until the charger goes green. And the seat stays the same, but the backrest moves back. So that's how you do your adjustment there. And like I was saying, full lights. So you've got daytime, nighttime, high beam, low beam, horn, signals. You can't see, it's a little too bright out today, but your signals do come up there. 3-speed, so you can control your top speed if you like. About 25 kilometers top speed. And then you've got your throttle here. Come in blue, brown, white, and we have a few red. There you go. There you know. Now you know.